Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you the third polo tech combo. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Oh god. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial, so nice. And this video is obviously sponsored by Go Yo-Yo UK. You can go and pick up any of their amazing yo-yos and use the discount code Kieran5 for 5% off. Okay, sweet. Now, let's get into the video. So to start off with, you're going to roll over your index finger on your throw hand, and then just do a little whip. So you're sort of in a mount that would be able to throw into just like a brother or a beef hook, right? So you just go do this little tension hook where your thumb gets engaged and so does the trapeze. Whilst doing that, you're going to make a chopstick by going thumb, wrap, right? And that'll be the chopstick, and you're going to basically do a beef hook but just land on that thumb wrap. And that is the start to this trick. So, boosh, wrap, chopstick. Okay, next you're going to reject that front string off, take your thumb out, and then land it into this like double green triangle, right? And then put your finger here. That's the whole of the first bit. Okay, from here, what you're going to want to do is you'll reject this off. It's going to come round, right? And then you're going to land the yo-yo here. And you'll be in a tower, right? But it's not that simple because it never is. That's how it should look, but like obviously you're not going to hit it first try. You'll get into a bunch of weird mounts, but if you keep at it, you should be able to get it down like that. And that's what it should look like. From here, you're going to pinch the tower, right? And then do a suicide where you're trying to catch this loop. If you catch it correctly, you should have what is essentially a green triangle but around your wrist. Next, you're going to pop out and then do that like pull in that you do when you've done Eli hops under your arm, right? And that is the whole trick. But obviously it's not that simple. You've got to master each of these elements. But they're not actually too hard to get down. It'll just take a while. So I'll go over the trick one more time. Roll round your index finger and miss. Create that chopstick element. Do the tension hook. Do a little beef hook into the chopstick. Reject. Land into the double green triangle. Then reject into the tower. And then do a little mini suicide, pop up, and yeah, slide it in like an Eli hop, and then bind. And that is the whole trick. Hope you had fun learning it. Yeah. If you've got any questions about it, let me know at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo on Instagram, or you can let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, peace. bye.